Okay, so let's move on to the distributed control system. Distributed control system is an example of a control system that is designed for a process or plan wherein the control elements are being distributed throughout the system. It is also a specially designed automated control system that consists of a geographically distributed control elements over the plant or control area. Also, DCS is a process elements or machine or group of machines that is being controlled by one dedicated controller. Also, it is consist of a large number of local controllers in various sections of plant control area and are connected via a high-speed communication network. So, DCS has 6 main components. Number 1 is the processors or the CPU. Second is the input and output modules. Third is the human-machine interface or human interface station. Number 4 is the engineering workstation. Number 5 is the field instruments, and last is the communication network or system. Processors are being used to receive information from input modules and sends information to output modules. Processors also is a custom design controllers that uses both proprietary interconnections and standard communications protocol for communication. Second component of DCS is the input and output modules. So, usually ito yung part sa DCS where dito kinakabit yung mga input and output wirings. Okay? And usually ng mga signals na ginagamit dito is either analog signals which are continuously changing and digital signals which has 2 levels lang, either on state or off state. Okay? Usually, itong input and output modules nakalagay sa DCS cabinets na nakahiwalay or naka-remote dun sa operator control room. Okay? So, pag binuksan natin yung DCS cabinets, ito yung itsura niya. Okay? So, a bunch of input and output modules. No? Okay? Okay, next component is the human-machine interface or human interface station. No? Kumbaga sa PLC, ito yung ginagamit natin na software no, para mag-design ng ladder diagram. So, ito yung pinaka-software application no, that presents information to an operator or user about the state of a process and to accept and implement the operator's control instruction. Okay, so typical information is displayed in a graphic format or GUI. No? Or graphic user interface. Okay, so ito yung pinaka DCS system architecture. No? Kumbaga sa PLC, ito yung PLC ladder diagram. Okay, so ito yung pinaka overall design ng isang power plant no? Or process control system sa isang planta or sa isang factory. Okay. Okay, so next component is the engineering workstation. So engineering workstation is a typical desktop computer that offered higher performance than mainstream personal computers, especially with respect to the CPU and graphics, memory capacity, and multitasking capability. Okay. Also, engineering workstation is a special computer where the DCS software is installed to be used to develop control strategy design, engineering, or configure the system. Okay, next is the field instruments. Field instruments is are the devices na ginagamit no, to measure physical quantity no, such as flow, temperature level, or pressure. It is also the part of the control system that provides signals to be used to operate a variety of other devices and to support either remote or automated control capabilities.